another vlog. Today we are going Ikea for the first time as a couple because Mitul kabhi Ikea gaya nahi hai. It's 3 almost. I have finalized few furnitures, so I know what we are getting, but we just have to show Mitul. And just in case if he likes something else, we'll get that. So आज बहुत भयंकर shopping होने वाला है. Hello, welcome to the IKEA.
चलो वो किधर है?
हाँ?
थैली जिसमें सामान डालना है.
थैली नहीं है, ऊपर जाना है अपने को सीधा. Sofa, no? See, this is on discount right now. 10,000 का है. But we will get.
You like? This is what you like?
Yeah, I like this. बड़ा है ना ऐसे उससे. So this is the sofa we are mostly gonna finalize.
Let me sleep.
It's very similar to what I had, just the L thing is not there, and it's a sofa bed. Colors option blue है और वो मेरे वाला है, but वो नहीं ले रहे हम. This is nice. Guys, we clearly have a problem. He likes everything which is black and I like everything which is white. सब black पसंद आ रहा है इसको, मेरे को नहीं पसंद आ रहा है black.
That is so pretty, Baba.
No, this is more pretty. So I like this one. It's small, sweet and storage भी है उसमें. उसको पसंद. Guys, by the way, I really like this chair. It's a little on the expensive side, but it's so comfortable also. It's in my wish list now. It's for 16, but it's so cool. You can use it for computer and all. Love it. And then we have some other options also, but we are not looking for chairs. Not done. That we definitely are not. This I liked, and this also I liked. And this Mithul liked. Yellow. This I like. I like this kitchen. Yeah, I like this kitchen. White now.
Yeah. This is colored white. This is not plain white. Only ऊपर का है like, not this one. This one picture. Oh, this one white. You buy this.
Okay, done.
2 lakhs
Kitchen.
only.
Kitchen, you guys know what my next kitchen is gonna look like. ये वाला नहीं. दूसरा अगर if we buy our own house then. He just found his dream house, it seems.
Oh, this is the ideal setup. You will be cooking here, making pasta. Hey dear, my lovely husband, which pasta do you want? And we are so working.
Working for what?
Yes, babes. Hey guys, we are live, and as you can see, camera घुमा के, my wife is making some pasta. Beautiful setup.
Full black.
बस मेरे पास ये नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ. This is how much?
Full black, re baba.
So we'll do darwaza white.
You keep darwaza white. I don't want it.
This will keep white now. It's looking very pretty, Babu. Please don't deny.
No.
This is ugly.
Oh, that is the only thing I liked out of everything.
This is very sudden.
Oh god.
1972.
Guys, we clearly have different choices.
But you won't get a choice because now you brought me to IKEA.
Now you realize why I was obsessed with
What
IKEA.
I will do is when I get to the new house, no, तो आँख बंद करके ऐसा है कि पट्टी खोल के, oh my God, everything is done, ऐसा करेंगे.
Nahin.
Not gonna let you.
No.
Oh, this is so pretty.
This is still fine. But that black, all black is not.
यहाँ इसमें हम लोग लाइम जूस पी सकते हैं, इसमें अपन कोक पी सकते हैं. We'll get this.
सब will get.
1.5 lakhs. I think I should
Guys,
be
bed I
an
like.
designer.
And the bed we are getting. This one.
I want to be an interior designer, but I'll be the racist wala type. I don't like white. I don't know why.
Ulta racist. I also like this bed. This is just 10,000. It's iron metal frame. Sorry, metal frame hai. Without the mattress, obviously, it's 10,000. And upar ye headboard hai. Huh? Yeah, but that's expensive. Out of our budget.
I am doing everything.
No. I feel like this is the perfect bed for us. Yeah. Even he agrees. So that we have our own space to sleep in.
Correct.
ऐसे बेड होने चाहिए. Hey, this mattress is 6,000. Now we came to the main area.
Already sorted.
I knew you'll get the dark one. But not this one. We saw another one. Come, we'll show you. That's there.
Oh, my harmonium setup.
Harmonium. कहाँ गया ये वाला? This will be mostly available in dark also, I think.
Oh my god. It is with this?
Yeah.
No.
No. वही चाहिए देखो. But do you want it to be like mine with drawers? ऐसा वाला?
I don't need drivers for mine.
So we can get the 200. Come here. Come.
Can I get this?
No, we have to DIY then. Don't. I was gonna say don't look there.
For the new
Guys.
For the new ones, they are getting something like this.
No.
Yes.
That will be. So, see, listen. For new house, we can do one thing. One room yours, one room mine.
We're getting this.
You want darwaza wala? We can do that abhi also.
How to open this door?
उधर है ना?
शी ऐसा नहीं चाहिए.
It's a corner wala na, that's why it's like.
नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए. Cancel. आजा. Come. Price भी देखो guys, वैसा ही है. I found my perfect room. I think I said this last time also. ये bed मेरे लिए. This is extendable also, I think. So I'll fit.
You design your room, I'm gonna design mine.
Okay, done. My room. This is your room then.
Which?
This
Chee.
or that black. Hey, shark. All kids section. Kids. Time to eat. He's gonna eat here for the first time.
Yeah. Very confusing this.
No, it's very simple to be honest. Come, we'll pick a tray, pick all the food we want and pay. So सबसे पहले यहाँ से trolley लो. इधर. Yeah, I told
सब
you.
होने के बाद you will check out.
Yeah, simple.
Nice.
Let's go. Buy everything. But most importantly, get me my cheesecake.
No.
Cheesecake. This गाजर हलवा and then muffins. स्कैन होगा और आएगा 5,000 का बिल.
कैसा? मेरा कार्ड.
One thing which is good about here is we have unlimited refills for cold drinks. My food, Mama's food versus Mitul's food.
Yum.
क्या मैसी रूम है ये, छी। अपना घर वैसे ही बना ला है।
I'll design.
हाँ
I'll design.
अरे यार वापस। गाइस वो बेडशीट हमारे पास भी है सेम, बहुत लिमिटेड स्टॉक से ये लोग के पास लगता है। हाँ व्हाइट,
This I didn't like black.
वाओ।
This you can. 4 घंटे हो गए भाई।
He just said और कितना बड़ा है ये IKEA and it's huge actually. We are just getting done outside थोड़ा shopping for small things अभी से। We have a cart full. Guys, he likes this. I like this. Imagine the difference. Dark
What is this?
horror movie जैसा scene plus
Yes,
this
yes,
nice Maldives वाला full memories